There's something captivating about the desert. The endless sand, soft curves, the way light dances on it. It's a timeless beauty. And when we started designing Najali Cafe, we knew the desert has to be the heart of it all. The design of Najali is simple, modern, and minimal. And every small details matters. Natural textures and earthy tones connect the space to the desert, making it something timeless. The exterior features a bold textured red finish inspired by the desert. Rounded corners and soft edges are provided around the glass opening to create a natural wind eroded look. As you enter through the main door, the first thing you see is a cafe counter, crafted from natural red travertine. It seamlessly integrates a pastry chiller and also a floating pillar above doubles as a functional minimal rack. A natural red brick tiles feature on counter splash. The walls are painted in a textured beige color, mirroring the endless sands of the desert. To address the low height beams of the original structure, we embrace their natural form, shaping them into a flowing curves. The ceiling pays homage to Arabic architecture with wooden-like beams that crisscross with fabric. Facing the counter is a floating bar table, also made from red travertine. To the left, the lawn sitting area invites relaxation with its soft organic designs. A feature wall carved with shelves showcases hand-curated decor including a 200-year-old desert rose. The dining area is separated partially by a wall with a circular glass opening, introducing a unique character. Wooden and marble dining table are paired with custom-made wooden chairs. Lighting plays a crucial role in the atmosphere of Najali. Above the counter, 3 large wabi-sabi pendant lights catch the eye, while smaller version mainly illuminates the dining table, setting a cozy and inviting mood. Throughout the cafe, plant and pottery inspired by the desert enhances the ambience. A curated selection of desert cacti adds life and texture, complementing the natural tones. Najali transforms as the day progresses. By evening, the warm glow of the light and the play of shadow makes the space cozy and intimate. It's the kind of place where we can linger, caught up with friends, or simply soaking in the atmosphere. Even at night, our thoughts return to the desert. Its stillness, its sense of peace. It's not just a cafe, it's a space to pause, to feel grounded, and connect to something bigger. And for us, Najali is more than a project. It's a celebration of Qatar, the tradition, the future, the city. And here, every texture, every curves, every light is just meant to be there, and we can't wait for you to experience it.